Pacific current. They reached to the subpolar low pressure zone. In the subpolar low pressure zone, he found that there is an very high pressure and then subtropical high pressure level of water. Under the slope gradient, they started moving toward the subtropical high pressure in the name of southeast movement, southeast, and then another is a northeast movement, and its name become what? California cold current, and its name become what? Warm northeast side, warm Alaskan current. And this warm Alaskan current is able to reach into the Bering Sea. Yes, this region is Bering Sea. Able to reach into Bering Sea, meet with the Bering current, and then after accumulation of water, they started moving towards, I said that Kamchatka Peninsula in the name of Oyashio cold current, and one in the form of Aleutian cold current. Understood it? And there is a development of counter equatorial current, and southeast trade wind led to the south equatorial current, and it is known as what? ये कैसा current होगा? East Australian what? Warm current. East Australian warm current. East Australian current, and it is in a warm. Understood? Always on the eastern coast of the continent has warm. East Australian warm current. इसी की वजह से यहाँ पे China type of climate you can be able to see. There is China type, and then coming of it. Now there is a Tasmania. Which Tasman sea is there? Which sea? अब ये मुझे बताओ, this cold water and this warm water, they are not mixing. जैसे दूसरी जगह mix हो रहे थे, यहाँ पर it is what I said that under the Coriolis force it keeps on deflecting like this. Yes or no? And there is a Tasman sea. यहाँ पर एक front formation हो जाता है. Which kind of formation? And that is known as a Tasman front. What is known as Tasman front? Understood? What is the name I said that? In the Tasmania say it is moving in the name of Tasman front, and under the effect of westerlies it keeps on moving. And thereafter passing through the northern island of New Zealand. And its name become here Auckland current. Which current? Which current? Auckland पता है ना? New Zealand का? In the name of Auckland current. Its name become what? Auckland current. So it keeps on moving under the effect of influence of westerlies, and it is able to reach, I said that, subpolar low pressure zone. Understood? Understood? What are the name I said this? East Australian current. Thereafter I said, बोला करेंगे East Australian current, Tasman front, East Australian current, Tasman front, Auckland current. And Tasman front यहाँ से after the East Australia, here it is in what subtropical high pressure, but thereafter the westerlies it is becoming ineffective. Tasman front, Auckland current, and it is able to reach to the what? Subpolar low pressure zone. And thereafter the level of water is up. One current started moving in the name of, I said that, toward the subtropical high pressure belt, and that is known as, I said that, cold Peruvian current or Humboldt current. What is the name? Cold Peruvian current or Humboldt current. Cold Peruvian current and Humboldt current. And now this one is started under the southeast trade wind. Southeast trade wind is there, and they make it again what? South equatorial current. So we have been able to see that which are North Pacific guy and South Pacific guy. From here, one current started moving from here like this, and its name may be, it is not able to go towards Antarctica. One towards the polar high pressure from the subpolar, and then Antarctica, then obstruction by the Antarctica and east wind drift. East wind drift, it is not able to move toward this, and they started moving in the name of, yes tell me, it is moving in the name of west wind drift. In between, due to the island, presence of island, what I said that there is a presence of island, one part of the current become Falkland current. दिस वेस्ट विंड ड्रिफ्ट जो आपने देखा था फैकलैंड करंट ब्राजीलियन करंट के साथ मिला था। फिगर के लिए मूव करते रहते हो, ये देखो बंद करो।